Hi guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. We look at Klink Testnet Airdrop. The listing is coming very soon, and you need to do this right away or you lose everything. Over here, you can see they said earn more Klink dollars. I only have 180k. So you are supposed to do some certain things in this app that will enable you to cash out big. Now if you go over to this place that says quest, there are a lot of tasks to do. Tap on quest. There are a lot of tasks to do here. This one is the airdrop campaigns. You are going to do them and you will earn more points. If you look at offers, here you are going to do it as well, and it's going to use USDT. This is not a financial advice. There is also a free task whereby you can do it. It's not about using USDT, but make sure that you do those ones that you can do and win some points. You invest on this project, but do the task. If you look at these partners, if you tap on this partner, you can see paid surveyors. There are a lot of tasks here. Do them to earn reward. Now if you go back, another good thing here is that this project has Telegram app whereby you can as well mine. If you tap on this particular place, they said earn more clinks. There are a lot of tasks there that you need to do. So you can see the app point is 180, and my Telegram point here is 4.5 million Klink points. So these things, once you link your Telegram to your app, you will be mining in both sessions and it's going to generate enough points for you. And look at this milestone. You have to deposit at least $100 to your wallet. This is not a financial advice, but if you can do it, do it. Then sign up and complete KYC on gate.io. You can do this and earn 100k. You sign up to KuCoin and share this. Now, this is a repeated quest. The repeated quest here is that you daily check it. Just tap on it and you're going to earn 5 million. Click on claim points. So you have done that one right now. In next 12 hours, I will come back and do it. Now, they said complete featured offer, which I have showed you. Just tap on it. You need to complete feature offer to earn 5 million or thereabout. So these are the future offers. This one is the future offer. Do the ones you can do and earn the points. Here to earn 10.5 USDT. What are the future offer here? This is the reward. Subscribe to monthly V2 premium that will cost 0.5 USDT. Now this one is to subscribe to monthly annually. This one is all about premium. If you can subscribe to this humble premium and you are going to earn 10 USDT. So you must click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, you are going to earn 10 USDT. Subscribe to their channel. As simple as that. Now let's go to another point. So that is that for this one. And if you earn points in social quest, tap on earn points in social quest. So this is earn in social quest. Just do your task and you are going to earn on this particular project. So doing all these things will enable you to accumulate more points before the TGE. They say swap more than $25. Refer friends to Klink. Once you refer a friend to Klink, you are getting 50 million. So go right now and do this. Copy your referral link. I will drop my referral link in the video description, and I'll also drop it on the comment section. Start mining Klink Airdrop. Klink is going to do well. Klink is going to do well, so do not play with it. Any of these tasks that you complete, you are going to see. Look at earn from daily reward. This is what I have earned from daily reward. Point earn from quest. So these are the leaderboard. These are the leaderboard. People are really cashing out on this project. So take your Klink Airdrop very serious. Make sure that you are active also on the Telegram app. So coming over to the Telegram app, you have to be active on your Telegram. The daily check-in to earn 4 million, sorry. You collect it. Then you make sure that you link your account. You link your Telegram account to the Klink app. Then you also connect your Ton wallet. That is important. There is a lot of tasks here that you can do. If you click on the task section, do the tasks here. We have a lot of tasks here to do. Once you are done it, come over to airdrop. I have remaining 3 tasks to start. Just do these remaining 3 tasks and you are good to go. You start mining as well. So that is it for this video. Link in the video description. See you guys in my next video. Important update: I'm currently buying and selling USDT, Ton, Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to do any business with me, reach out me on my WhatsApp. Send me message. I'm the admin, then I will reply you instantly. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.